Welcome to AP Biology Stories Online, brought to you by the students of Cynthia Arizola. I'm Stevie Uribe, and today I'm going to be reading The Symbiotic Soulmate, written and illustrated by Stevlich Uribe. This children's book centers around the biological concept of symbiosis, or the interactions between two different species living in close physical association. Many organisms form a variety of relationships with neighboring animals, some good and well, some bad. Today we're going to be learning about the three main relationships: parasitism, commensalism, and mutualism. Parasitism is a symbiotic relationship where a parasite depends on another species, its host, while causing the host harm. Commensalism is the symbiotic association where one of the species benefits while the other animal neither benefits nor gets harmed. Lastly, mutualism is the symbiotic relationship where both organisms involved benefit. Now let's see if you know your biology. You ready? Here we go. The Symbiotic Soulmate, written and illustrated by Stevlich Uribe. Read by Stevie Uribe. Inside the Xing Fu Inn, there lived a girl named Bryn. Bryn lived happily throughout her life, but was very sad within. With years going by, more pressure was on her married life to begin. She went searching for the perfect love through thick and thin, but somehow always ending the relationship with the could-have-beens. With much dismay, she met Nick. With their cultures so similar, they were sure to click. Their image would then, of course, stick. But no matter how slick, and no matter how quick, Bryn was not a good match for Nick. You see, Nick was anemic and really sucked at arithmetic, often hitting Bryn with his walking stick, sometimes acting like a lunatic. Just like the poor dog attacked by the tick, the relationship was now parasitic. Bryn then met Dr. Chip. Dr. Chip was the perfect man to marry, in line for the hospital's chairmanship. He gifted her with the most beautiful butterfly clip and took her on a trip around the world on his personal ship. But still, no matter how many $1,000 clips, or how many ships, or how many worldly trips, Bryn was unaffected by his constant partnership. Like a busy cattle egret, Dr. Chip seemed to be joined at Bryn's hip. And like the unbothered cattle, Bryn's feelings began to slip, discontinuing the unreciprocated commensalism relationship. Bryn was losing hope, believing any relationship would end in ruin. That is, until she met Flynn. Flynn was different, with beautiful skin and the best grin. He had also grown up in a Chinese inn and knew the pressures of being the next generational kin. Most importantly, he made her feel something special within. He was yang to her yin, as she was the bee acting as the flower's companion, and they made each other's hearts spin. Finally, it was mutual, with her true love fin. The end.